So I just wanted to show you this one last thing. This is the repeated component that I showed you before, but you can use like Dynamo, and again, this is sort of the first pass through Dynamo, so it could be more accurate. But what you can do is you can go to Manage and bring out Dynamo, and it's like a little grasshopper for Revit. So if I come in here, let's pull this guy a little bit bigger. And we'll open up, we'll open up the Dynamo definition. So let's take a look at this guy. And basically what this guy does is it goes and gets this line right here. So I just drew a line where I wanted these guys to go to, and actually it's divided, but I'm just going to delete that divide. So, and there's two lines. There's one here and one there. So I'll just for simplicity's sake, I'll just delete this one for right now so you can just see that one. And what you can do is you can select that curve. So this is like a curve container, and it will get the curve element, and then it will divide that curve by a certain number. So you would make it be the same as what you had up there. And then it'll get the Z distance. It'll file out all the divided points and get the Z distance of those, and adjust that Z distance here if it's not on 0. Right now it's on 0, but if it's not, you'll need to adjust and figure out what the true difference, between A and B is. And then we need to make some adjustments to the list direction. But once you get that done, you can come in and plug these guys in. So let's pull this guy back a little bit. But it gives you the distances to set the parameters. So if I put this into the set parameter dialog for these guys, to the value, I have it set to 0 right now, and then I run it, right, it'll go blinkety blink, 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 and it'll set that. Right, so you can see it's at the correct angle. The only thing is that you need to adjust that panel base because it started at 0 here and set it up here. I think, let's see, let's try this, because I did do a multiply times -1. I wonder if I just pushed this guy into here and this guy into here, what would happen? I think it even goes, yeah, it goes the opposite way. So, so basically what happens is, let's go ahead and get those back the way they were, run it again. So you have to reverse the list to get it right, and then you have to adjust this number up here to equal the distance from the bottom panel to there. So I think if I remember correctly, I have it just set to 4,000, but I'm going to do 4950. Right? And if I run it again, it'll go through and clickety click click. It'll put that guy down there, right? I think it's still off by whatever the column, half the column base is. So right now it's at 50. So there's a few adjustments that you have to make, but if you had a bunch of these to do, I could sort of refine this and make it a little bit more user friendly to where it would sort of do that. But anyway, that's it. So if you want to use these and you want more explanation, then just let me know. I'll post these so you can download them.